Hey, I'm Kristen from the product marketing team. Today I'm going to share with you the benefits of having a unified account on OKX and how to set one up. The unified account is an all-in-one trading system that lets you simultaneously conduct spot, margin, perpetual swaps, futures, and options trading, all from your trading account. So what are the benefits? First, this gives traders a simple and streamlined trading experience. You can trade spot and derivatives simultaneously in multiple currencies without transferring funds back and forth between multiple accounts. Second, your profits and losses generated from different trading markets can offset each other. And third, your margin requirements are based on overall positions and total liabilities held in your account rather than getting split between accounts. So, how do you get started? If you already have an OKX account, you already have a unified account, so feel free to explore. If you're a new user, first start by setting up an account on OKX. Your account will default to the simple account mode and unified account. Simple mode allows you to use spot and options trading. Next, don't forget to add funds to your account and transfer them to your unified trading account to start trading. And you're ready to trade. To unlock more trading options, such as margin, options, and futures, you can switch to single currency margin mode, or either of the two more advanced trading modes. In short, unified account helps you do more with your crypto. Happy trading!